こんにちは、サマンサクリニックの院長貞政ひろ子です。今日はドバイから、アーメッドアルカタニ先生においでいただきました。アーメッド先生、こんにちは。
こんにちは。
アーメッド先生とは何度かもうすでにセッションを行ったりとか教えていただいたりなんかしているんですけれども、アーメッド先生、AQ スキンソリューションズのプロデファインリタッチを、作られたきっかけは何なんでしょうか。
So yes, I developed this product because skin booster is one of the most requested treatments in clinics right now, and I feel this segment of aesthetic has not been taken seriously because a lot of the option available in the market right now does not address what skin booster is. So skin booster is something that the patient can come in, get treatment in a very short period of time, no downtime, very comfortable, and leave the clinic with amazing result. This is what skin booster is. It's a service that's supposed to be quick and easy. Unfortunately, right now, what we have available in the market, the product, they don't offer that. You have to do multiple sessions. A lot of the time, they're very painful, not comfortable, and they don't give you a result for a long time. So and you end up paying a lot of money because every time you visit the clinic, you have to pay for the treatment. So I developed this product with a new technology. It's a 3D approach to the skin. It's very quick. It takes 15 minutes to get it done. Extremely comfortable. No pain to very minimum pain. And results come immediately. And it's only one session. So it's affordable, it's quick, it's comfortable. You leave the clinic, there's no sign that you have the treatment, but your face glows. So it fits all the criteria. And this is one of the reasons why we developed it, because there is a big gap missing in the market, and also understand that what skin booster is. So this is something that we're very proud of developing, and it's been super successful in the market, as you know. So doctor, tell me, why did you choose Retouch product?
たくさんスキンブースターはあります。だけれども回数がたくさん必要だったり、効果がクエスチョンなものもあったりした中で、1回で効果が出るっていうところを魅力に感じました。そして、サイエンスに、ベースがあってちゃんとヨーロッパの CE がある、安全性が担保されてるっていうところを、重視してこちらの製品を選んだんです。
So doctor, I heard that you gave a very beautiful presentation in the last conference here in August.
Yes.
Can you tell us about it?
リタッチ注射を使っていく上で画像診断の機械ビジアっていうのでデータを取っていったんですけれども、でそうすると肝斑の患者さんにも効いている。最初は細かなシワとか皮膚のこのテクスチャーを改善する目的で取り入れたはずだったのに、それもいいんだけれど、その皮膚の色味が良くなるっていうのを気がついて、それでデータを取ったところ、やっぱり肝斑に効いてるっていうデータが取れて優位差がついたので、それを発表しました。
Yes, doctor, you're right. We have seen also the same results with other around the world countries, same doctors. They told us this. They experience more than just hydration and fine texture and glow. They start seeing reduction in pigmentation. They start seeing other indication, even for rosacea. They see improvement in that. So yes, the Retouch is an amazing product and great technology. And all this, you get it with very short time and very affordable treatment and very comfortable treatment. And this is very important because a lot of people are very scared of getting treatments or seeking help because they're worried. But now they can get great results with no discomfort, easy and quick and affordable. And this is something that we always advocate in our company to do. So thank you very much for sharing your information and for your beautiful study. I hope you can present it some other conferences. I know you've been invited to go to Dubai, so we're looking forward to that. And I look forward to see your presentation there.
Thank you very much. Why it works melasma?
Inflammation.
Inflammation.
Yes. And when you use this product with growth factor and hyaluronic acid, you reduce the inflammation, increase hydration, and this is why the melasma go.
バリア機能が良くなるからでしょうか。
Barrier of the skin,
Skin
yes.
barrier
Yes.
get better, so
Yes.
that's why melasma get
Yes.
better.
Yes. And reduce inflammation.
いろんな肌育治療がありますが、このスキンブースターリタッチ注射は本当にいい治療だと思っています。なのでこれからもたくさんの患者さんに、使っていただきたいと思っています。先生から一言お願いします。
Yes, it's an amazing product. The same as you feel, many doctors around the world are feeling the same way. And I'm very happy to see this. It's when we make a product, we work very hard and we think a lot, and it takes years to make a product. And then after all the hard work, after these years, we see doctors like you, very established, very well known, to appreciate that product. It makes us very happy, me and my company, make us very happy, and we look forward to collaboration with you and see more results from you for this. So thank you so much for your trust.
ありがとうございます。
Arigato.